Hey guys, what's going on? Just making this quick little video right here to show you guys how to add your Instagram account once you've actually signed up for Wolfgrowth. And so what's going to happen is once you signed up, once you purchased one of our packages, you will get an email with your activation key and all of these things, and it will actually link you to a different domain, which in this case right here is wolfgrowth.club. But keep in mind that URL can actually change over time. So be sure to actually check that email to really know what the current domain actually is. So once you actually go to this URL right here, in this case right here, wolfgrowth.club, what you will see is you will see your dashboard right here. Then I want you guys to go to add your account or add account, and we'll just see that's what it's going to look like for you. You will just click on the new account button. That will take you to the login screen right here. And guys, keep in mind, we'll never actually see any of your passwords on our end. This is completely connected with Instagram, so it's pretty much like you're entering your password on Instagram directly. It's just connected through the software. So what you want to do, obviously, you want to type in your Instagram username, you want to type in your password, and you want to select your platform, which obviously is either iOS or Android. And for the verification method, I want you guys to use email. So yeah, let's just do this real quick with my personal account right here. Let's type in the password real quick. And that's pretty much it. Just now add account. It will take a few seconds to actually add your Instagram account to the software. So there we go. As you can see, we successfully added my Instagram account to the software right here. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes we'll actually ask you on your Instagram app to confirm the login. So what's going to happen is I want you guys to open your Instagram app if it's loading and adding the account right here, and check if you get some sort of like pop-up notification where you just have to select yes, it's me. You just select that on the Instagram app, and you will basically, that way you will confirm the login and will actually add your account to the software. And sometimes we'll actually send you a code to your email that you then have to enter on the website right here, which did not happen for me right now because the software already knows that my account exists and stuff like that, right? But that's pretty much all you need to know when it comes to adding your Instagram account to Wolfgrowth. That being said, I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.